National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for northern Christian County, Kentucky, southeastern Caldwell County, Kentucky, northeastern Trigg County, Kentucky, south central Hopkins County in northwestern Kentucky until 10:45 p.m. At 10:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Cadiz, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Carbon Cadiz around 10:05 p.m. Crofton around 10:20 p.m. Nortonville around 10:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Hawkins and Rockcastle. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 55 and 70. Penny Ryle Parkway between mile markers 13 and 31. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Caldwell, Christian, Hopkins, and Trigg. A tornado warning remains. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Until 10:45 p.m. for the included a damage in Kentucky, Caldwell, Christian, Hopkins. Tornado has been confirmed by train spotters. Impact. Flying